In this video, we're checking out the
quarterly Adam Savage maker box.
Cool, so Ed has got this quarterly box and he's kindly brought it over so we can unbox it for you guys. So I'll pass over to Ed and we'll start looking in this.
I've not been on the forums or anything, so I have absolutely no idea what's in here. So I'm kind of hoping it's going to be exciting. It's supposed to be things that Adam reckons makers are going to like. And there's going to be 2 of these boxes in total.
But only one if you're a subscriber.
Yeah, so I don't have to take the second box if I don't want to. It depends if I get very upset. Oh look, good. I'm really pleased I'm in your house because I can kind of just plonk those out the way, and there we go. Fantastic, I don't have to clear that up afterwards. Okay, so there's some sketch pad things.
So those of you that may not be familiar with who Adam Savage is, if you've seen Mythbusters or the tested videos on YouTube, he's the guy there.
Yeah.
So this is to help you do scaled sketches, is it?
I don't know what it is. There's a how to draw essay, some sort of pack or look at some point.
So this is some sketching pack to help you do sketching at 1/48 scale.
Ah, this is the bit I was kind of expecting a little bit more. Was something to make. This looks like it's laser cut cardboard. And I've got a laser cutter. I'm quite intrigued to know what this is going to be. It could just be stencils, possibly for drawing. I'm not sure. Definitely, things I was expecting were these pencils, because he goes on and on about how amazing these pencils are.
I think I had those pencils when I was at school.
Yeah, I'm also expecting possibly one of the field notes books, possibly in here.
So what sort of type of pencil is it?
You can buy those on Amazon. He'll put a link in the bottom where you can buy these from.
There'll be a description for all the things. So Papermate Sharp Writer number 2.
Yeah.
Made in America.
He's a big fan of those. A rubber, always use protection.
Prism colour without a U in it. It's a magic rubber. Don't make those tricks. Tape measure.
Tape measure. And a Savage Industries branded tape measure.
Oh!
Now this is a bit of a surprise. I wasn't expecting to find a glue gun. What voltage is it?
Turn it round. Is it battery powered? No, it's got a cable on it.
It's got a cable. I think it's
12 volt.
I can't. It's US. It's got a US plug on it. So fingers crossed they've thought about us over in the UK, which we're running on 30 volts, not 110. Can you see anything on there? Oh, there we go. What's that saying? No, it's only 120 volts. So yeah,
should be able to use the converter there.
Hopefully we can get a converter, but I'll have to get some sort of sight box to actually turn it from 230 volts to 110, because otherwise I can't use that. That's a bit of a shame.
That's surprising to get there, isn't it? Because that's quite.
Yeah.
How much was it?
It was $99 plus some shipping as well, which I can't remember.
So what? Was £70?
Something like 70 quid.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm quite surprised to get a glue gun.
Yeah.
To be honest, isn't it? Right. I actually need one of these.
Stanley knife.
Stanley knife. Yes. That's quite useful actually. Now, aha! So it's not an official field notes book type thing, but it is a good old craft paper, nice numbered for my sketching, which I do a lot of. Right, what else have we got in here?
That. I think a few years ago, if you were a tested subscriber, this was Adam's toolbox design for his toolbox.
Oh, sorry, that's quite cool.
So you can put that in put it in the frame, won't it?
Yeah.
Just see if you can see that on camera. Don't know if because it's a bit translucent, isn't it?
There's just more of this stuff everywhere.
You can see this. I really love his artwork.
This stuff is horrible. Please don't use that again. It's probably better for the environment, but right. A ruler, graduated ruler.
It went to school and everything. It's graduated.
I've got my own Savage Industries purse.
What's inside it? Anything?
It's a good question.
You can keep all the Stanley knife and your pencils and everything.
Yeah. It's an Enviro tote. Right, what else we got? And more glue sticks.
I guess that big project you have must involve lots of gluing. Oh!
Hello. the Adam Savage sketchbook.
Oh, that's awesome.
Now that is awesome. So
that's like the. Have you seen the bear?
It's got the bear in there.
So, yeah.
That is.
I think I remember him saying that. So this is basically scanned copies of different drawings of his.
You can't really see it very easily.
If we show the front and back cover, there, it's probably the best detail, isn't it?
There we go. And that's the bear on the back, but it's a proper thick, about pencil thick.
It's got page numbers on it. Is there? How many pages?
It's from 1984 to 2017.
No.
And there's unfortunately no page numbers, but that is quite awesome. Actually, that would be quite fun to look at. I wonder what was in between the cardboard. More cardboard.
It's quite well packed, isn't it? Like to protect everything.
Yeah.
Okay. It's going to be difficult to get out. I have to wedge a knife down the side. You just want to put that crap all over the desk, don't you?
Gently tip that all out. Oh look, the box is empty now.
It's all going back in the box though. So.
And then a acrylic pad, which is for cutting on templates. That's
a cut pad, isn't it? Cutting pad.
Cutting pad, yeah. I need one of those as well. That's quite cool, actually. Yeah. I think that's worth. That is worth probably just about $100. Just about.
I think you're paying, obviously, like all these things. You pay a certain amount of money for the name, don't you, or the brand. Yeah. Obviously, it's associated with Adam, and it's well respected in the maker community. So definitely, there's an element of that. But I think if you think about it, I mean, not that we're trying to add it up, but this book you can't buy that.
No,
right?
that's the money shot, so to speak.
But this, I mean, this even the cutting mat's probably like 20 quid, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because it's quite a heavy duty one. The glue gun we're not too sure about, 15 quidish, probably.
Yeah, about
that. Those notepad things are more money than you think they are.
Yeah.
That's like 15 quid or something stupid.
Yeah. I'm intrigued by what this is, how to draw essay thing. Is that's
so if you open it, is there any more details in there? I think we kind of skipped over that.
Right. It's
this is it. So that's what this cardboard is.
Yeah. This is the making thing.
Yes. So Adam has what he calls the shop or his cave, where he does all his design work and his building, and this is a cardboard scale model of his.
What you end up
shop.
Doing is getting to that at the end of it, which is quite cool. From all this cardboard, that's quite cool. That I'm going to look forward to making that actually. So I wondered what this was because I was hoping there's going to be something to make.
And actually, this is different to what I thought it was. So the pictures I'd seen online, I'd actually seen people doing a scale model of his house or something, or his mum's first house or something, or the house his parents had. So this is actually different to what I expected as well. Oh, that's it. Yeah. So I've seen people making something like this. So they made it off their own back.
On the Tested channel, have a look. They'll find a link for it later. He does talk about his model he makes for his house. He does a whole video about it as well. And it's quite a fun project. It's something I want to do because I want to build my own house one day, and I'll need to make a model of it. Whether I 3D print it or do it out of foam core.
I will need.
I need to do it.
Yes.
But so yeah, you can cut foam core with a laser cutter because the guys. There's a model aircraft channel, which again he'll put a link on there, but they make a lot of model aircraft out of foam core. They put their plans online, they're all free, you can build aircraft really easily. It's similar to this, which should be quite cool. That's cool. A project for later. Anyway. Excellent.
That's good. Cheers for sharing the unboxing with us.
No worries. Sorry about the mess.
Don't make it worse. You are going to clean this up before you go.
Yeah, definitely going to do that. No problem.
But it's going to have to go in the box. Excellent. Well, if you have used Quarterly before, leave some comments about your experience with it. Have you got the Adam Savage box? What are your thoughts? Perhaps even share some links to some of the pictures of what you've put together. And I guess if you're in the UK and you've already got this glue gun working, if you use a certain adapter or you just plugged it in, it hasn't blown your house up yet. So that'd be helpful to know as well. Excellent. Cheers again, Ed.
See you later.
Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.